Alright, so what we have here are the advanced wheel locks. Alright, so what we have here is some wheel locks I want to put on this car. They're advanced wheel locks. It's supposed to be the best wheel locks out there. Well, you know what? I don't know, but let's see what we got. They came in the mail. It took a short time for them to get here, so shipping wasn't. They cost about $165. That's tax and shipping, everything. So what I got was, all right, let's open this box up. Shower cam, just one key. Advanced wheel lock. Sticker. True security. Alright. See what we got. Alright, this is what we got. Important information enclosed. 2 keys. Whoa, look at that key. Wow. And I believe the way this works is it goes on a certain way. There you go. Oh, every key is different. So it's supposed to be so different than the regular wheel locks. And I'll show you the wheel locks I have on my other car. All right, see the wheel locks, the traditional wheel locks right here. My whole point was to slow somebody down because somebody stole the wheels off my car once before, and I gotta tell you, it's a bad feeling. I don't, you know, it is what it is though. But and it was these rims, they were factory rims. They weren't aftermarket, nothing like that. They just, but then the police was telling me that these wheels are more than, because you know these are like $400 a piece at the dealership. So $1,600 in rims was stolen from me, but I guess they sold those for maybe half the price, maybe a third of the price. They'll make a profit, but we just don't want to go through that again. So okay, so even these are factory wheels. We don't want these to get stolen. So granted, I was in the DC area, but now I'm in a less populated area. But either way, crime don't sleep. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's see something here. This little bitty trunk space. You know what I'm realizing? This car does not have a spare tire. I knew that, but I thought maybe it had a jack. All cars got jacks, right? I got a tow bar, but no jack. All right. Yeah, this car comes with run flat tires, so there are no. Yep. It's over here. Space for the convertible top. Yep. No jack in this Camaro. Boy, when they try to save some money, Alright, let's see what we can find out right here. All right, luckily I got the old trusty Chevy here with the tow bar, and it fits. So let's see. Yep. So this comes with 4, so 1 lug per wheel. That's cool, ain't it? Look at that. We do the same thing on the other wheels. I don't know. What do you think? How that look? I don't think it's that conspicuous, but I'm glad to go with something like that. That if it'll slow some people down, I'm taking my wheels. Like I said, ain't nothing worse than coming outside one day and seeing your wheels gone. All right, so we wish that we lived in a safer world, but I can't even say I understand where these people be coming from, but whatever it is to make a quick buck. I don't know, maybe it's their profession. Some people do this for a living. But I don't want to get got again. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, peace.